A piece of moon rock, which is believed to be buried somewhere in a North Dublin dump, has been valued at around $5 million. The rock is thought to have ended up in the Finglas landfill after a fire at the Dunsink Observatory in 1977. But it's just one of hundreds of moon rocks that have gone missing around the world.
When American astronauts went to the moon, they brought back pieces of the lunar surface and gave them as gifts to nations across the globe.
We'd like to share a piece of this rock. We hope that this will be a symbol of mankind, that we can live in peace and harmony in the future.
Ireland received 2 pieces of moon rock. One is kept in storage at the National Museum. The other was held in Dunsink Observatory in Finglas, but it disappeared after a fire in 1977. And it's believed it was sent with the rest of the debris from the blaze to the dump across the road.
It's probably in the Dunsink tip head. It's worse than a needle in a haystack. I mean, it is literally smaller than a pebble, and it's buried in, I don't know how many tons of material. It would be, and even if you could find one small piece, how would you identify it? You'd really have to do a microscopic and isotopic analysis, and you're not going to do that with every little pebble. So it's impossible.
Ireland isn't the only place that's missing its moon rock. Of the 270 pieces given to countries as gifts, more than half are missing. But now they're being valued at up to $5 million.
That Sotheby's auction in 1993, when a fifth of 1 gram of moon rock brought back by the Russians was sold for nearly $500,000 at the time, puts a value on it. Then you have to make a commercial decision. You know, if you want to extract millions of tons of rock and look for something that's worth $5 million, perhaps, that's up to you. Personally, I don't think I'll be out there with my bucket and spade.
Dunsink Dump is around 10 times the size of Croke Park. It's 40 metres deep and contains more than 4 million tonnes of waste. So for now it seems that this multi-million lump of lunar rock remains buried in this Dublin dump. Samantha Librari, RTE News, Finglas.